Good morning, students. Next, we will do exercise 12.2. The first question is find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter if the angle of the sector is 60 degree. So we have to find the area of sector. Its formula is theta over 360 into pi r square. So theta is given already, that is 60 degree, and the radius of the circle is 6 centimeter, and we will use pi here 22 over 7. So draw a circle in which theta is 60 degree and the radius is 6 centimeter. O A P B. We have to find the area of sector OAPB. Formula is theta over 60 into pi r square. So theta is here 60 degree over 360 into pi. Pi is 22 over 7 r square. Radius is 6 and 6 square is 36. Now solving this 0 0 cancel. 6 from the 6 6 are 26. 6 6 cancel. So what is left here? 22 into 6 over 7. So 6 2s are 12. 1 carry. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. So what's the answer? 132 over 7 centimeter square. Alright. Next, question number 2. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. So what is quadrant? Quadrant is the fourth part of a circle. So if it is a fourth part, then theta is here 90 degree. In each and every quadrant, theta is always 90 degree. So we have to find the area of this quadrant in which theta is 90 degree and the circumference of the circle is given 22 centimeter. Means the perimeter of circle is given, that is 22. So from circumference of a circle, we can easily find the radius of circle. So circumference is 2 pi r and the value of circumference is 22. So 2 pi is 22 over 7 into r. From here you can find r, then put this r in the formula of area of sector, because quadrant is also a part of sector. It is also a sector. So this 22 cancel. R is what? 7 over 2. R is 7 over 2 centimeter. Now what is the area of sector? Quadrant is also called a sector. Area of sector, name is O P B. Area of sector O A P B, or you can write area of quadrant. It's the same thing. Theta over 360. Theta is 90 over 360 into pi. Area of pi is 20 over 7 r square. Radius is 7 over 2. So 7 over 2 the square, it is 49 by 4. So 7 7 are 49. 0 0 cancel. 9 4s are how much? 36. Or 2 11s are 2 2s are 11 7s are 77 and 2 4s are 8. So what's the answer? 77 over 8 centimeter square. So it is the area of quadrant of a circle. Alright, so this is your question number 1 and 2. Next, this is your question number 3rd. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So find the area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. It means we have to find the area of sector. Suppose that this is a minute hand. So when you rotate clockwise, it forms a circle. ठीक है, जब रोटेट करोगे मिनट हैंड तब की बनाओगे एक सर्कल बनाओगे. ठीक है. The length of a minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. It means this length of minute hand is the radius of a circle. The length of minute hand is what? It is the radius of circle. So that is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Suppose that this minute hand is at number 12. After 5 minutes, the minute hand is at number 1. So we will find the area swept by this minute hand in 5 minutes. ठीक है, मतलब कितना एरिया कवर करोगे 5 मिनट्स के लिए. It means you can see here this is the two radian and this is the corresponding arc. It means we have to find the area of corresponding what sector. So to find the area of sector we will find the theta first. ठीक है, ਤੁਸੀਂ थीटा की वैल्यू फाइंड करोगे कि थीटा कितना होगा. This one because radius is given 14 centimeter already. We will find theta. So we know that in 60 minutes there are total how many degrees? 360 degrees. In 60 minutes there are total 360 degrees. History means one complete revolution. So in 1 minute theta is what? 360 over 60, that is 6 degree. It means in 1 minute hand cover 6 degree. So we will find in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ minute hand कितना rotate करोगे, कितना degree move करोगे. So multiply 5 with this 6. It is how much? 5 6 the 30 degree. It means in 5 minutes they cover 30 degree. Alright. It means theta is 30, radius is 40. Now we can easily find the area of sector. Area covered in 5 minutes. So what's the formula? Theta by 360. Theta is 30 degree by 360 into pi. Value of pi is again 22 by 7. R square. Radius is how much? 14. Now 0 0 cancel. 3 1s are 3 12s are 36. This 7 2s are how much? 40. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. Again 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. So it is 22 into 7. 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. So the answer is 154 by 3 centimeter square. It is the area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. So this is your question number 3rd. Next, this is your question number 4. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major sector and use pi here 3.14. So first draw a circle with center O. Circle O with center O in which AB is the chord. AB is the chord of a circle which subtend right angle at the center. The chord subtend right angle at the center. It means theta is here what? 90 degree. And the radius of circle is how much? 10 centimeter. Radius OB and OA is equal to 10 centimeter. Theta is 90 degree. Find the area of corresponding minor segment. So the minor segment is this one. You have to find the area of segment APB. So the area of segment APB is equal to what? Area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. So first we have to find the area of this complete sector. After that, find the area of this triangle and then subtract area of sector minus area of triangle. We will get area of the remaining segment APB. So the first write the formula. Area of segment APB is equal to area of sector OPPB minus area of triangle OAPB. So first we will find the area of sector OAPB. So what is the area of sector? Theta over 360 into pi r square. So theta is here what? 90 degree over 360 degree into that is 3.14. So you can write 340 over 100, convert it into fraction, multiply with r square. So radius is what? Radius is 10. So 10 square is 100. Now cancel this 100. 0 0 cancel. 9 ones are 9. 9 fours are 36. So it is 340 over 4 centimeter square. Or convert it into decimal. 4 sevens are 28. Then 34. 4 eights are 32, 20, 4 5s are 20. Or it is 78.5 centimeters square. It is the area of sector OAPB. Now we will find area of triangle OAB. So to find the area of triangle OAB, so first you can draw a triangle OAB separately. Draw triangle OAB. After that, taking construction, draw a perpendicular OM to AB. Draw OM perpendicular to AB. Because we can find the height of this triangle OAB. After that, we can easily find the area of triangle, that is half base into height. Base is AB and height is OM. So right hand construction, draw OM perpendicular to AB. Draw OM perpendicular to AB. Now you can take this two triangle OMA and triangle OMB. You have to prove it congruent. So in triangle OMA and triangle OMB, which is the first part? You can write here OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB. Reason is radius of a circle. OA and OB are both radius. Radius of a circle, you can write radii. Then OM is equal to OM, common. OM is equal to OM, common side. The third one is angle OMA is equal to angle OMB. (90° each). So by which rule? This is right angle, this is hypotenuse, this is side. So by RHS, triangle are congruent. Triangle OMA congruent to triangle OMB. Now you will take any two parts equal. So first we will take angle AOM is equal to angle BOM. And the second one is AM is equal to MB by CPCT. So right here, angle AOM is equal to angle BOM, and second one is AM is equal to MB by CPCT, congruent part of the congruent triangle. So if angle AOM is equal to angle BOM, so what is the measure of angle AOM? The complete angle is of measure 90°, so half of it is 45°. It means this angle AOM is of measure 45°. Now draw triangle separately. Again this one AOM. Draw triangle AOM in which measure of angle AOM is 45°. So if this is theta, then what? This is base, this is hypotenuse, and this is what? Perpendicular. So in triangle AOM, OM over OA. OM is what? OM is the base of this triangle. OA is hypotenuse. So base over hypotenuse is cos theta. Theta is at 45°. So OM over OA is cos 45. So measure of OA, which we can find. OA is what? Radius of circle, which is given, that is 10 centimeter. And the value of cos 45 is 1 over root 2. Or OM is equal to 10 over root 2. So this is 10 over root 2 is the OM. It means height of the triangle OAB. Now we can find AM. AMO, it is the base of this triangle AOM. AM over OA. So AM is what? It is the perpendicular for this triangle, perpendicular over what? Hypotenuse. So perpendicular to hypotenuse is sin theta. Theta is 45 degree. So AM over OA. OA is again 10 because it is the radius of circle, and sin 45 is 1 over root 2. So it is how much? AM is equal to 10 ones are 10. It is 10 over root 2. AM is 10 over root 2. Now we will write AB is equal to AM plus MB. This is the complete AB, which is the base of this triangle OAB, and we can write AB is equal to AM plus MB. And we already proved that AM is equal to MB, so you can write here AM plus AM, because MB is already equal to AM by CPCD. And the value of AM is 10 over root 2, so 10 over root 2 plus 10 over root 2. It is how much? 10 over root 2 plus 10 over root 2, it is 20 over root 2. AB is 20 over root 2. Now we can find the area of triangle OAB. So area of triangle OAB is what? Half base into height. Half base. So base of this triangle is AB and the height of this triangle is OM. AB is 20 over root 2 and OM is this one 10 over root 2, which is the height of this triangle. Now solving this, 2 times are 20. Now what is 10 times are? 10 times are 100. Root 2 into root 2, it is 2. Now 100 over 2 is how much? 50. It means area of triangle OAB is 50 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is 50 centimeter square and the area of this sector OAPB is 78.5 centimeter square. So what is the remaining area? The remaining area is the segment of this circle, minor segment of the circle. Alright. So we can subtract the area of triangle from the area of sector. So put value here. Take this equation number 1. Area of segment is area of sector. Area of sector is 78.5. 78.5 minus area of triangle, which is 50 centimeter square. So 78.5 minus 50, it is how much? 28.5. 28.5 centimeter square. 28.5 centimeter square is the area of minor segment. Clear? The second part is we can find the area of major sector. Area of major sector. So how can we find? Area of major sector. So this is the area of major sector. If this one is 90 degree, then what is the remaining angle? The remaining is 360 minus 90, that is 270 degree. So the theta for major sector is 270 degree. So its formula is theta over 360 into pi r square. So theta is 270 over 360 into pi. Value of pi is 3.14, or you can written as 314 over 100. R square, radius is 10, so 10 square is 100. 100 cancel, 0 cancel, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. So 3 multiply 314 over 4. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. Now it is 3 7s are 21, 2 carry, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17. 1 carry, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. So answer is 235.5 centimeter square. So this 235.5 centimeter square is the area of major sector. Clear, student? So this is all about how to find the area of segment and area of major sector. So this is your question number 4. Next, this is your question number 5. In a circle of radius 21 cm, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. So find the length of the arc, area of the sector formed by the arc, and the area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. First, draw a circle with center O in which AB is the chord of a circle and this chord subtends angle 60 degree at the center. Chord subtends angle 60 degree at the center and the radius of the circle is how much? 21 centimeters. (21 centimeters) is the radius and 60 degrees is the theta of this circle. So first we will find the length of the arc. So we will find the length of the corresponding arc AB. So the formula for length of arc is theta over 360 into 2 pi r. So theta is here 60 degree over 360 into 2 pi r. Value of pi is here 22 over 7. R is the radius, that is 21. So this is cancelled. 6, 7, 3 are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are. And this 2 to cancel. So what is left here only? 22. It means 22 centimeters is the length of the corresponding arc AB. Now second is area of sector formed by the arc. So area of sector OAPB. Its formula is theta over 360 into pi r square. Theta is here 60 degree over 360 into pi r square. R is 21. So multiplying 2 times. Now this is cancelled. 6, 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 2 11s are 22. So what is left here? 21 into 11. It is 221. So 221 centimeters square is the area of corresponding sector OAPB. The third is we will find the area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. It means we will find the area of segment APB. Segment APB. So its formula is area of sector minus area of triangle. So it is again same as question number 4. So the area of sector which we can already find. You can see here in second part area of sector OAPB. Now we can find the area of triangle OAB. So first draw a triangle OAB. So first let's take construction. Draw OM perpendicular to AB. Then again you have to prove this two triangle OMA and triangle OMB. You have to prove it congruent. Clear students? First OA is equal to OB, equal radius, OM is equal to OM, common sides, angle AMO is equal to angle BMO, 90 degree each. So by RHS, triangles are congruent. Now you will take angle AOM equal to angle, which one? BOM. The second is AM is equal to MB by CPCT. Now we will draw this triangle. OAM. If angle AOM is equal to angle BOM, then what is the measure of angle AOM? The complete angle is 60 degree, so half of it is 30 degree. So measure of angle AOM is 30 degree. Now for this triangle, OM over OA, base over hypotenuse, is the formula for cos theta. OM over OA, it is cos theta. Theta is what? 30 degree. OM over OA. OA is the radius. Radius is how much? 21 centimeter. And the value of cos 30 is under root 3 over 2. So OM is 21 root 3 over 2. Now AM over OA, it means perpendicular over hypotenuse. It is the formula for sin theta. AM over OA. Sin theta is 30. Sin 30. AM over OA. OA is again 21 centimeter and value of sin 30 is 1 over 2. Or AM is equal to 21 over 2. Now we can write AB as AM plus MB and MB is equal to AM, which we can prove over by CPCT. So AB is equal to AM plus AM, or AB is equal to 21 over 2 plus 21 over 2. It is how much? 42 over 2, or you can write 21. Because 42 by 2 is cancelled and it is 21 centimeter. So AB is what? AB is the base of this triangle OAB and OM is the height of this triangle. Now we can find the area of triangle OAB. Now you can find the area of triangle OAB. So base is AB and height is OM. So base AB is how much? 21 and height is OM, that is 21 root 3 over 2. So 21 to 21, it is 441. 2 2s are 4 root 3 centimeter square. So this is the area of triangle OAB. Now what is the area of segment? Area of segment APB is equal to area of sector OAPB, area of triangle OAB. So area of sector OPB, which we can already find in the second part, that is 231 centimeter square. Area of triangle OAB is 441 over 4 under root 3 centimeter square. Now you can take common from this 231 and 441. Alright, or you can make the answer here. So this is the area of triangle, the area of a segment APB. Clear, students? So this is your question number 5. Next one, this is your question number 8. Question number 6 is your homework and question number 7 is deleted from your syllabus. Alright. So the question number 8 is, a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of a side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. So there is a square shaped field, square shaped grass field having side 15 meter. The side of this field is 15 meter. Alright. And the horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square. The horse is tied at one corner of a square by a rope of length 5 meter. The rope of length of rope is 5 meter. So we have to find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. So when horse can graze in the square field, you can see here it can cover the area of what sector? It can cover the area of sector. So we can find the area of sector. We know that the vertex angle of a square is of measure 90 degree. So the theta is here 90 degree, and this, the length of rope is what? It is the radius of that quadrant, or you can say circle. Area of the quadrant, length of the radius of this quadrant is 5 centimeter. Radius is 5 and the theta is 90. So we can easily find the area of sector. So the first part is area of the quadrant is theta by 360. Theta is 90 degree over 360 into pi r square. Here pi is 3.14. You can write 314 over 100 into r square. So what is r? Radius is 5. Now 90 is 360. 340, 5 5s are 25, 4 into 100, 25 4s are 100, or cancel this 2 2s are 4, 157, 157 over 4 2s are 8, or convert it into decimals, it is 8 1s are 8, 50 minus 8, how much? 7. 77, 8 9s are 72, 77 minus 72 is 5, 50, 8 6s are 48, 20, then 8 2s are 16, then how much? 40, 8 5s are 40. So the area is 19.625 centimeter square. So this is the area in which the horse can graze. Alright. The second is, we can find the increase in grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. If this length of rope is increased by 10 meter, if the length of rope is increased by 10 meter, then how much area will increase? How much area will increase if the length of rope is 10 meter instead of 5 meter? Then what we will do? We will subtract the area of this largest sector, or you can say quadrant, minus area of this smallest quadrant. Clear, student? Then we will find the increased area. This one. ठीक है? तो इसे क्या करूँगी? एरिया फाइंड करूँगी जेड़ा इंक्रीज होया हुआ अगर रोप की लेंथ 5 मीटर इंस्टेड कितने मीटर है 10 मीटर तो तुसी रेडियस 10 मीटर लेके एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट फाइंड करोगे और जेड़ा सी एरिया ऑलरेडी फाइंड कर चुके हैं दिस वन 90.625 इन सी उस एरिया चो माइनस करोगे क्लियर सो सेकंड पार्ट इज इंक्रीज्ड एरिया so area of this quadrant is theta over 360 to pi r square. Here radius is we can use 10 meter because the length of rope is increased. Alright. So theta over 360 into pi r square. R is what 10. So 10 tens are 100. Minus area of this smallest quadrant. So area for smallest quadrant is 19.625. You can cancel this 100, 94 from 360 and it is 4 7s are 28, 34, 4 8s are 32 and 5s are 30. 78.500 minus 19.625. 10 minus 5, 5, minus 2, 7, 8.85 meter square. So 58.875 meter square is the increased area. Alright. Sorry, here it is meter square. Clear? So 19.625 meter square is the answer of first part and the 58.875 meter square is of second part. Clear, student? This is your question number 8. Next, this is your question number 9. A brooch is made with the silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. So, a model is in the shape of a circle made by students in which there are 5 diameters having length 35 millimeter, which divide the circles into 10 equal sectors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 5 diameters divide the whole circle into 10 equal sectors. So what is the theta between these two consecutive radius? So if the total angle is 360 degree, then there are how many sectors? 10 sectors. So 360 by 10. It is how much? 36 degree. Clear? So the first part is find the total length of the silver wire required. So the silver wire used in making a circle and 5 diameters. So we have to find the length of silver wire required to make this model. So wire is used in making a complete whole circle. It means we have to find the circumference of circle. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r, and it is used in making 5 diameters. So you have to find 5 into d. 5 into d is what? 5 times diameter. 5 diameter plus 2 pi r, which is the circumference of a circle. So what is pi? Pi is given here. No, pi is not given there, so we will use 20/7. And the radius of circle is 35/2 because diameter is 35. So radius is 35 by 2 plus 5 into d. D is 35 millimeter. Now 7 5s are 25, plus 2 to cancel. 12 5s are 110. And 35 5s are 5 5 is 25, 5 is 50 plus 2, 17. 110 plus 175, it is 285 millimeter. It means the total silver wire used is 285 millimeter. The second point is find the area of each sector of the brooch. Each sector. You have to find the area of sector. So the area of sector is theta over 360 into pi r square. Theta is the angle between two consecutive radius. So theta is here 36 degree. Because there are total 360 degree in complete revolution and there are 10 equal sectors. So you have to divide 360 by 10. So that is 36 degree. So theta is 36 degree over 360 into pi r square. R is what radius? Radius is 35 over 2. 36 10 are 360. Now it is 7 5 are 25, 2 11 are 22. So what is left? 11 into 35 into 5 divided by 2 tens are 20. Now 5 4s are 20 and 5 7s are 35. Now 11 7s are 77 into 5 over 4. 77 5s are how much? That is 5 7s are 35, 3 carry, 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 3, 38. 385 by 4 millimeter square. So 385 by 4 millimeter square is the area of each sector. Clear, students? So this is your question number 9. Next, this is your question number 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 cm, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. So you can see here, this is umbrella in which they are having 8 ribs. So if you are assuming this umbrella as a flat circle, so there are total 8 equal sectors. 8 equal sectors. And there are 8 ribs in the umbrella. So the area between two consecutive ribs is subtending how much? 360 over 8. That is 45 degree at the center. It means the theta between these two consecutive ribs is 45 degree. Okay. So we can find the area of two consecutive ribs. The formula is theta over 360 into pi r square. Theta is here 45 over 360 into pi r square. Value of pi is 22/7, and radius is given, that is how much? 45 centimeter. So 45 into 45. Now 9 5s are 45 and 9 4s are 36. Put 1 0 here. Now 5 9s are 45 and 5 8s are 40. Now cancel this 8. 2 4s are 8 and 2 11s are 22. So 45 into 9 into 5. It is 2025 into 11 divided by 4 7s are how much? 28. So multiplying this 2025 into 11. So our answer is 22,275 over 28 centimeter square. So it is the area between two consecutive ribs of an umbrella. Okay students, so this is your question number 10. Next, this is your question number 11. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. So you all know about what is wiper. So there are two wipers in a car. The length of each blade is 25 centimeter and is wiped at an angle of 115 degree. Each wiper swept the car windshield at an angle of 115 degree, and the radius of that wiper is how much? 25 centimeter. So we have to find the area, total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. We have to find the total area swept by these two blades of the wiper. So it can be observed that each blade of wiper will sweep an area of sector of 115 degree in a circle of 25 centimeter radius. Here, so the area swept by two blades is how much? 2 multiplied. Why 2? Because there are two wipers. So 2 multiplied theta over 360. Theta is 115 degree over 360 into pi. Value of pi is 22/7 into r square. R is 25. So 25 into 25. So on solving this calculation, our answer is 158,125 divided by 126 centimeter square. So this is the total area swept by two blades of wiper. So this is your question number 11. Next, this is your question number 12. The question is, to one ship for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 km. So find the area of the sea over which the ships are worked. So there is a lighthouse which spreads a light on a ship at a distance of 16.5 km, and the angle of sector is how much? 80 degree. So we have to find what? Find the area of the sea over which. Find the area of sea over which the ships are worked. So radius is 16.5 km, theta is 80 degree. We have to find the area of what sector? So formula is theta over 360 into pi r square. So theta is 80 degree over 360 into pi. Value of pi is here 3.14 and the radius is 16.5. So on solving this calculation, our answer is 189.97 kilometer square. Clear student? So this is your question number 12. This is your question number 13. A round table cover has 6 equal designs. So there is a round table cover in which there are 6 equal designs in the shape of segment. Alright. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, this is radius which is 28. Find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.35 per meter square and use under root 3 is equal to 1.7. So you can see here the design is in the shape of segment, because the segment is what? It is the area enclosed between the chord and the arc of a circle. So there are total 6 designs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal designs. So first you can join this OA and OB. OA and OB. After that you can see here this OA PB is what? It is the sector. we have to find the area of design APB, or you can say area of segment APB. So we have to find the first area of minor sector, then find the area of triangle. After that, subtracting area of sector minus area of triangle, we will get the area of each segment, or you can say area of one design. After that, find the total area of 6 design. After that, find the total cost of making this 6 design of table cover. So first, find the area of minor sector. Theta over 360 to pi r square. So what is theta? We know that the complete one revolution is of measure 360 degree, and there are total 6 equal sectors. And you join this, there are total how many sectors? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 360 by 6 is how much? 60 degree. It means theta is 60 degree over 360 into pi. Value of pi is here 22 over 7 into r square. Radius is given, that is 28 centimeter. So on solving this calculation, the area of sector is 410.67 centimeters square. After that, to find the area of triangle OAB, draw a triangle OAB and take construction, draw OM perpendicular to AB. Then we will to prove these two triangles congruent, OMA and triangle OMB. So OA is equal to OB, radii, OM is equal to OM, which is common, and angle OMA is equal to angle OMB 90 degree each. So by RHS, triangles are congruent. Now we will take angle AOM is equal to angle BOM, this one. Angle AOM and angle BOM. And second is AM is equal to MB by CPCT. After that, in this triangle, this one. In this triangle, OM over OA, base over hypotenuse, is equal to cos theta, and theta is here 30 degree. 30 degree why? Because angle AOM is equal to angle BOM, and the complete measure of angle AOB is 60 degree. So half of it is 30 degree. So OM over OA, measure of OA is 28, which is the radius of circle, and the cos 30 is under root 3 over 2. So from here OM is equal to 14 root 3, because 2 14s are 28. So 14 into root 3 is 14 root 3. Now AM over OA, this is AM, this is OA, perpendicular over hypotenuse, which is the formula of sine theta. Theta is here 30 degree. AM over OA, measure of OA is 28, and the sine 30 is 1 over 2. So from this you can cancel this, 2 14s are 28 and 14 ones are 14. Now we know that this AB is equal to AM plus MB, or you can also write MB as AM, which we can prove the work by CPCT. So AM plus AM is equal to AB, and the measure of AM is here what? 14. So 14 plus 14 is 28. It means AB is the base of circle, which is of measure 28 centimeter. Now area of triangle OAB is half into base into height. Half into base. Base is AB, which is 28, and the height is what? OM. So height is of measure 14 under root 3. So on solving this, 2 14s are 28 and 14 14s are 196 root 3, and the value of root 3 is 1.7. So on multiplying this 196 and 1.7, we will get 333.2 centimeter square, which is the area of triangle OAB. Now we can find the area of this 6 design, which is in the shape of segment. So it is 6 multiplied. Why 6? Because there are total 6 design. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 multiplied area of minor sector minus area of triangle. So area of minor sector is here 410.67, and the area of triangle is 333.2 centimeter square. So on subtracting this, we will get 77.47 multiplied with 6. So our answer is 464.82 centimeter square, which is the total area of 6 design in a round table cover. Now we will find the cost of making this 6 design. So cost of making per meter square, centimeter square is 0.35. So the total cost is what? Multiplying this 0.35 with the total area of 6 design. So the total area is 464.82 multiplied with 0.35. Our answer is 162.68 paise. Rupees 162 and 68 paise is the total cost of making 6 design. So this is your question number 30. Next, this is the last question number 14th of exercise 12.2, which is the MCQ. The question is area of a sector of angle P of a circle with radius capital R is. So there are four options. So we have to find the area of sector in which theta is small letter p and the radius is capital R. So what is the area of sector? So area of sector is theta over 360 into pi r squared. So theta is here p over 360 into pi r square. Pi r. R is what? Radius. Radius is given here capital R. So now you have to multiply and dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. You have to multiply and dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. So P 362 is 720 and 2 into pi r square, it is 2 pi r square. So you can see the option here. The first one is no. Second is P over 180, no. This is P over 360 to 2 pi r, no. Last is P over 720 into 2 pi r square, 2 pi r square. So our answer is option D. Okay students, so this is your exercise 12.2. Thank you.